Hello everyone. So in this crypto video, we will do the technical analysis of Titano Finance. Okay, and the pair which I am choosing for now is Titano slash wrapped BNB, and here you can see the time frame which is 15 minutes. We can do this of 5 minutes also, but if you want to do this of 1 second or 5 seconds, so I need to take pro, but I didn't have a pro, so I will use of 1 minute trading chart. Okay, as in trading 1 second also matters. Okay, 1 second also matters in trading, 5 seconds also matters in trading, but we'll see it with a 1 minute chart. So here you can see that the pink color and green color is up and the red color is down. So what I can say, that for now it is not a good time to take entry in Titano Finance crypto trading. Well, when red color will, I think red color will go up by coming here. Okay, if red color will go up, then you can take entry, and I think red color can. If red color go up, you can take entry, and I think then you can get a profit of minimum 1 to 2% for now. Okay, if red color will go up from here, while there's many indicator to choose in crypto like EMA, okay, and like RSI, you can choose a crypto by your own, and before investment do a proper crypto market research. Why? Because crypto market is highly volatile.